What is the difference between baleen and toothed whales? If you have ever wondered about the vast array of whales in our oceans, you might have noticed that they do not all look or behave the same way. So, what sets baleen whales apart from toothed whales? Let us start with how they eat. Baleen whales are some of the largest animals on Earth and include species like humpback whales and gray whales. These giants feed on tiny creatures like krill, zooplankton, crustaceans, and small fish. They use baleen plates, which are long, strong, and made of a protein similar to human fingernails. These plates hang in rows in their mouths and act like a filter, straining huge volumes of ocean water to capture their food. On the other hand, toothed whales, which include dolphins, porpoises, and sperm whales, have teeth instead of baleen. These teeth vary in size and shape depending on the species, and they allow toothed whales to eat a different diet that includes fish and squid. For example, dolphins can have over 40 pairs of teeth, while beaked whales might have just a single pair. Another key difference is how they breathe. Baleen whales have two blowholes on top of their head, which are paired longitudinal slits that converge and widen, creating a V-shaped blow. This is different from toothed whales, which have only one blowhole. When it comes to movement, baleen whales rely on their flippers and tail fluke. They use their flippers in a wing-like manner, similar to penguins and sea turtles, and their tail fluke for propulsion. Because of their fused neck vertebrae, baleen whales cannot turn their heads at all, which makes them less flexible but more stable in the water. Toothed whales, however, are more agile and flexible. They have a single blowhole and a melon, a fluid-filled structure in their forehead that helps with echolocation. Echolocation is a biological sonar system that allows toothed whales to navigate and find objects even if they are blind. They produce high-frequency sounds through their nasal air sacs and fatty melon, and then hear the echoes through fat bodies in their lower jaws. Baleen whales also have some unique features. They have small hairs on the top of their head and chin, and their skin is layered with blubber to keep them warm in cold water. This blubber can also be used to store energy during times of fasting. In contrast, toothed whales use their echolocation for navigation and hunting, and they do not have the same layer of blubber as baleen whales. Instead, they rely on their ability to produce and interpret sound to survive in the wild. So, the next time you are out on the ocean and spot a whale, take a closer look at its blowholes and feeding behavior. Are you seeing a baleen whale straining water through its baleen plates, or a toothed whale using echolocation to hunt its prey? Understanding these differences can make your encounter with these magnificent creatures even more fascinating.